Now, if you as wanna see this work we do here, another dimension. This one a decking. They never will pour the concrete, but he just dey lay here with your own idea. So, okay, you got to show of you at the work we do here for this decking.
This place when we dey so, na toilet, na him go dey this place.
Okay, when we all dey so.
Because before we start to dey lay am, we get the plan of the house. We know anywhere where the room go dey, where the toilet go dey. Where the toilet dey, one master toilet dey this place. So
okay, one master dey where this very thing dey.
The toilet very big. When the toilet start from this pillar, so
okay, for this pillar,
this place so na wall. Na wall start for this pillar, so go end from the other pillar from this side. So
okay, go on for the other. We'll go there and show if you're away from him.
He end from this place, so another wall go dey this side.
Okay,
according to the way it dey for the plan of the house, and we take do this place. So
okay, what of here? This one. So.
This place, this one. So now it go serve as a washing hand basin.
Okay, washing hand basin.
Washing hand basin. Now it go serve as a washing hand basin.
You dey put my small. Where did this one serve?
This one go serve as a floor drain.
People are good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today na 4th of July 2024. For today, I dey for location when I dey. I come monitor plumbing work. Where one of our viewers from the talk show give Oga plumber. Make it do for a house. I come monitor for today. As you can see, this work na decking work. So as the deck and plumber they do a work, I can do for here for today. In front of me, now the plumber when you do the work, now he be this. So Oga, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
May I talk to you? So my name is Sabonya. What about your name?
My name is Adeleke Plumber.
So what are they at the work where one of our viewers give you? The plumbing work we give you now come monitor for today. Will take me around the work, whether I don't do or you sit on it. Before you take me around the work, Oga plumber, what will let our viewers patronize you through this our channel, particularly what we give you this work, this decking work when you do here.
We thank our PR, we thank them where God will continue to bless them, to give us job, we thank them. God will feed their pockets. Thank you very much.
So our viewers, for giving our client work, you have to call our number the on top of this video. Now if you want to see this work we do here, another dimension. This one a decking. They never will pour the concrete, but he just dey lay here with your own idea. So okay, you got to show our viewers the work we do here for this decking.
This place when we dey so, na toilet, na him go dey this place.
Okay, when we all dey so.
Because before we start to dey lay am, we get the plan of the house. We know anywhere where the room go dey, where the toilet go dey. Where the toilet dey, one master toilet dey this place. So
okay, one master dey where this very thing dey.
The toilet very big. When the toilet start from this pillar, so
okay, for this pillar,
place so na wall. Na wall start for this pillar, so go end from the other pillar from this side. So
okay, go on for the other. We'll go there and show if you're away from him.
He end from this place, so another wall go dey this side.
Okay,
according to the way it dey for the plan of the house, and we take do this place. So
okay, what of here? This one. So.
This place, this one. So now it go serve as a washing hand basin.
Okay, washing hand basin.
Washing hand basin. Now it go serve as a washing hand basin.
You dey put my small. Where did this one serve?
This one go serve as a floor drain.
Okay, floor drain.
Floor drain. Floor drain. If you see the connection like this, you come from this side now, go down now. After they don't deck this place finish now. Yes. All those pipes will be buried.
Okay, go bury inside.
They will be buried. Now this one they will call full conduit.
Oh, full conduit.
Yeah, full conduit.
Okay.
But people when you know do this one before they do their work, that one will be half conduit because it will come out for under decking.
Okay.
Unless say your house na street decking, na you go fit do full conduit after you know do this one. But if you get cantilever like as this one get cantilever though, this one shoot out come outside.
Yes.
You suppose to do the decking pipe first. But if you no go shoot out, if you no do the decking pipe, you go see the full conduit. But if you pour your decking without you no put this pipe.
Yes.
When you get cantilever like this, it go be half conduit.
Okay, half conduit.
Yes.
This one we do here now, full conduit.
Yes.
What about this one?
This place, so might be the toilet side.
Okay, here that be the toilet
Might be
side.
the toilet side. If from this side go down, and it's like this. From this side go down.
But as they check, so if they come pour concrete, you know, go
No,
push and come out.
it's strong, oh.
Okay, so okay,
We
okay.
use banding wire
The tire.
tire. Yeah.
Okay. What of this one?
This place, so now inside the toilet we see this, so this place, so this one so go serve the jacuzzi shower room. Now this one go serve
Jacuzzi and shower. Okay.
this one, so you go see serve one of the shower room.
Okay,
This
one
one
of
go
the
serve the jacuzzi because this pipe after the build the house, you go need to extend and go front.
Front, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
If from this side go down, the surface point now be all those one wey come outside, so
Okay.
na surface point na it come outside from.
Now they shoot us so.
Yes.
Okay. I dey see another one this side.
For this up, so they get small kitchen for this up because the house na duplex for this front flat, so the kitchen side na it be this one, so and from here we tap the kitchen with you come from that place go down.
Okay, okay, you can follow down there.
Yes. Another bedroom na it dey this side, so
Okay, this one another bedroom.
another bedroom dey this side, so the bedroom this one na for the washing basin.
I dey come like we balance. No say yeah.
Na washing basin na where the washing basin go dey.
Now be that
Now
one.
don be the house finish.
Okay.
Na here the washing basin, na washing basin width of the pipe na be this one, so when this one come be floor drain.
Okay, this one come with floor drain.
Flooding because one wall dey here, so
Okay, one wall dey here.
one veranda dey this side. The room get a own veranda.
Okay.
Veranda dey here now. They will pull one wall for here. When the toilet go come start from this side.
Okay, this one a toilet.
This
So.
one na toilet. Come from here now, go down. When this one go serve, it go serve a event.
Okay, this one go serve event.
This one go serve event.
Okay.
All those washing hand business one you see from this side come down, you can't get in your own service point here, so
Okay.
then your
Wow.
service point here don't come here. After they don't cast everything now, all those pipes will be buried. You know?
Okay, after they don't cast everything,
Yeah.
all this pipe when they see
They go
it don't
be
dey buried.
Yes.
Okay. Any other work we do here?
It still remain one toilet for this duplex. So
Okay, for the duplex.
Yeah. Before we go that to flat. This place, so where we see this, so na toilet na it dey this side, so
Okay, where we do so na
na
toilet.
toilet dey this side, so na the washing hand basin e go start, na the washing hand basin waste na it be this one, so when this one go serve as a flooding.
Okay, floor drain.
This one na toilet.
Okay.
But later we will extend this pipe now come this center here.
Okay, call center there.
Just that this place now just street decking, you no get cantilever. You need to put the pipe for.
Okay, you come long go this side.
Later I will come. Now that's why I put this elbow now. Then we will take the divert and come.
Okay.
After
Yes, that elbow serve as divider.
divert.
Okay.
We can't get the event. Now the bar, now the two flat.
Okay, we dey go the two flats.
Two bedroom. Where they now we dey go so. For the back side now, one of the toilet dey this side, so
Okay, where you stand so one of the toilet dey
one
there.
of the toilet dey this side, so because na two bedroom na empty.
Yes.
The bedroom, so na the room wey we wan use the toilet na im be this.
Okay,
They
the
will
room.
follow this side like this, enter. Na the washing hand basin na im dey this place, so come serve as a this one na for floor drain.
Okay, floor drain. Let me down.
This one na for surface points. In case
Okay.
they get any issue, maybe they go flush something wey
When e
get
block.
and wey block, they will fit throw am from there, remove that thing. This place, so as this another surface point na see dey this side, na the toilet na be this one. This toilet na after they don build the house, na you go need to move come this front. So
Okay, that's why you
e
put
dey
that
same.
elbow for diverter.
Yes. The other bedroom na be this one. So.
Okay, I see with this.
That the other bedroom now, the door go dey exactly
Where me stand
you
so.
stand, so you go
Okay.
enter and like this. And the washing hand basin na be this one, so this one na this one serve as the flood. serve for the flooding of the ground. And this one so now be the surface point. This one see na surface point. Put this to surface point, and the toilet it go still come this center like this.
Okay, now this elbow now be the dabata when
Yes,
you push and go that side.
yes.
Okay, now everything for finish.
Yeah, made the kitchen
Okay,
and dining.
kitchen.
This place so now dining I did this exactly where we did so the wall of the dining I be this one so
Okay.
so I will put this dining waste for this side now. Oh yes, so now veranda but the dining waste follow here come like this come jam the kitchen now be this one so
Okay, the kitchen now be this.
the kitchen waste now see be this one so from here you don't go down like this.
Okay.
All the way for go down it dey down like this after they don't cast everything now everything go come dey bed.
Okay, so now here everything for finish.
Yes sir.
For the decking work.
Yes.
So my people, Oga Plumber don't take me round way for do the work for decking, and they don't through with the work. This one on phase 1. After they don't see decking, it will come back for phase 2 again. So Oga Plumber, like how much cost do you now to do this work here?
Well, both the materials and the work massive when we do this work now 280,000.
How much?
280,000.
280,000. Both the workmanship and the material. Abi?
Yes sir.
You quick call your number when our view
Now
of
the pipe when we use now pipe when they use for swimming pool very strong pipe.
Okay, now
you
use.
see and a black sitting a black pipe. A pipe when we say if they roll wheelbarrow for on top, you know
It not go break.
break.
Okay.
We know they use a fake pipe when we say they your press and like this, you don't
With your press.
break. After they do this one, they beat the house when you can't use PPR they follow on.
Okay.
When you use PPR they do the water supply.
Okay.
My number when I go reach me both WhatsApp and normal call is 070 889 81 6385.
Another number there.
The other number is 070 6323 8998 93.
93. My people, I greet you for the time I want to watch this video.